Hey guys, so flu season's back around, so we thought we would go out and sneeze by people today.
Except this time we're using the silly string.
Oh, dude! Stop! Dude, that is disgusting!
That's cruel!
Whoa.
Are you kidding me?
Sorry,
You're fucking disgusting.
I just had a sneeze attack. Oh, sorry.
Hey, bro, do you know where the medicine is? Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, sorry about that. Just got the sneezels.
Try with the silly string, though.
Whoa. Ah, sorry guys. I'm getting.
Isn't that silly string?
I don't know what's coming out of my nose.
That is so gross.
I'm sorry. I'm really getting like the string flu lately.
Ah, crap. Here comes the sneeze attack.
Shoot.
Thank you. Yikes, kebab, Jerry. Hey, Garrett, where's the medicine?
I see him. Shoot.
You silly.
No, I just got the flu or something.
Whoa. Oh, sorry, guys. Getting the bad sneezies right now. Whoa. Nope.
Oh, not again.
Oh. Oh, shoot.
Sorry about that, ladies. Oh.
Someone's sick. You guys are cold?
Yeah. Got the flu or something.
Where is the Oh, God.
Sorry.
Shoot. Not feeling so good today. Whoa.
These hot dogs are getting me a little sneezy here.
Just season.
To be sneezing. You're making a big mess with my allergies today, guys.
Sorry. My fault.
Crap.
What's really your problem?
What?
What is really your problem?